Hello everyone, let's next try to make a blossom plant. For this you may require oil pastels because you have to make the stalk of the tree, and then you may also require some watercolors because you are going to make the imprints of your fingers that will represent the flowers. This activity is again very simple, it's very easy and best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10. This one is so full of fun and entertainment and it looks so perfect and beautiful at the end. You can just pause the video and have a great look. Let's move towards another project. You may require a stencil that you have created using the paper sheet, and then with the help of the sponge you are making some of the imprints. You may also require bubble wrapper sheet. For this one, these will represent some of the bottle guards. This activity is very simple. Earbuds are also required and some markers may also be needed. This activity is good for everyone. Let's move another thing. This one is very easy. You may require again the bubble wrapper sheet and cut it down according to the shape as shown here with the help of some of the paper sheets. Just give the wings to these creatures. This looks so perfect and easy. You can definitely go for this one. This is so nice. Let's move towards our another project. Here I'm again taking the bubble wrapper sheets and I have just cut it down in some different shapes and I have filled them with some of the different colors. Like you can see here, these will actually represent the air balloons, and in the background I have also added some of the birds that will represent the sky. Let's move further. Here I'm again taking the bubble wrapper sheet and I'm just trying to convert them into the flamingos. Flamingos are the birds usually found around the lakes and we are going to make the one. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10. You may require leaves also for making the imprints here. Thank you for watching our videos. Stay tuned.